guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special dish for you, nice and scrumptious and delicious, and it hails from the land of the rising sun. It's none other than Japanese chicken katsu with Japanese curry sauce or Japanese curry gravy. So first of all, you start off with 2 eggs, white flour, and a spice mixture of salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and you whisk them together. Okay, so the first step, you dip the chicken breast in the egg mixture, then straight into the panko bread mixture. This is panko bread. Panko crumbs. You can just buy it straight from your supermarket. And make sure you slice your chicken fairly thin for this recipe. This is my own personal request. I requested it for Ramadan iftar. It's actually one of my favorites. Let us know if you guys have had it before, chicken katsu, and especially chicken katsu with Japanese curry gravy, which is a double whammy. Make sure you press the panko crumbs on the surface so they stick on a chicken breast, and you just lay them aside and you keep repeating the process. Okay, so in a pot, you heat up some vegetable oil or some neutral oil, and garlic, onion, potatoes, and carrots chopped up, roughly chopped, and you drop them straight in the pot. And you cook them down for a little while. Okay, so after cooking it for a couple of minutes, you add some pepper. You don't add any salt to this dish because the curry powder itself does carry some salt in it. So just hold back from the salt. After it's been cooking now for a couple of minutes, you add the water.
And let it cook.
And then you just continue cooking it, boiling it until everything is softened. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes, and please hit that like button. So at this point, guys, after the vegetables have softened, she chops up the Japanese curry powder, and I want to show you the actual the curry mix that we get. It's actually the best on the market according to us, since we're experts in Japanese food apparently. But yeah, no, this is actually awesome and delicious and very easy to find. You can find it from your local supermarket. It doesn't even have to be Asian supermarket. You know, for us here, we'll find that at Coles and Woolies very readily in the. And they do have different heat, as my wife has stated. We got it hot, we like it to be on the spicy side, but you can get it mild, you can get it medium. So this one, it's excellent. Okay, so she chops it up in little pieces, drops it in the mixture and dissolves it.
And let it cook for a little bit, just until it thickens, and that's it. Fine.
Yep, so basically you just cover it and let it cook for just a little while, just until it thickens up a bit. And job well done, that's it, simple as that. Extremely easy recipe, guys. There's no excuses not to try this one. And give us a like. Rice is done, guys, to eat with the chicken katsu curry. So this is basically a basic rice. Very simple. But she added just a little knob of butter just to Middle Easternize it a bit. Now it's time to fry the chicken katsu. So you heat up the oil, vegetable oil, and you just drop them straight in there. And this is you can hear that crunch, guys. That's a perfectly cooked chicken katsu. That's the final product, guys. Isn't she a sight to behold? You can see it piping hot. The carrots, the onions, the potatoes, and the crispy chicken katsu there sitting in the background, like a volcano waiting to erupt. This is absolutely delicious. I love this dish. Extremely simple. You've seen how simple it is. Extremely simple, but very, very effective. If you have liked what you've seen, guys, and you want us to make us more, want to help us make or encourage us to make more delicious recipes, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And look at that. Look at that. So crispy. Please dunk it in there and go for it. Bismillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.